Welcome back, family, to Northside LDN, Gadamba. And today we've got Crystal Palace admirers of Arsenal 25-year-old striker, but fee could be an issue. Now, Eddie Nketiah being linked to Crystal Palace. We've been seeing Eddie Nketiah being linked to Crystal Palace numerous times. And it looks like the transfer fee now is the stumbling block. And we're going to get straight into it. Familia, make sure you're liking and subscribing, hitting the bell notification, doing all that good stuff every time I drop a video. Make sure you do that. But let's get straight into the article and straight into what it's about. Crystal Palace are among the admirers of Arsenal's Eddie Nketiah this summer, but they may not be willing or able to meet the Gunners' demands. It goes on to say the Athletic report that if Arsenal sign a striker this summer, at least one of Eddie Nketiah or Gabriel Jesus will need to be sold, and Nketiah is currently the more likely to go. The report adds that Crystal Palace are among the clubs who admire Nketiah, but it remains to be seen if they are willing or able to make an offer that Arsenal would accept. Previous claims had put Nketiah's fee in the region of £30 million, with Fulham, Wolves and Everton also interested, though Everton reportedly want a year-long loan. It goes on to say Arsenal's Eddie Nketiah acknowledges the supporters at the end of the Champions League Group B football match between PSV. Hold on a sec. Here we go. Fabrizio Romano previously reported that there's a concrete possibility Nketiah could be move on this summer, adding that the striker has always had plenty of interest in the Premier League and the Bundesliga. Nketiah made plenty of appearances in 23-24, playing 37 times in all competitions, but just 13 of those were starts, and none of those stats were in 2024. Yet, if no one is willing to meet Arsenal's demands, perhaps the Gunners will opt to keep hold of Nketiah. Retaining Nketiah seemed very unlikely, while Benjamin Sesko was a serious option as a potential signing. But Sesko's decision to remain in Germany has prompted some reports that Arsenal may decide to sign a winger instead of a striker. If that's the case, maybe there's less of a need for Jesus or Nketiah to move on. This bookery I'm seeing right now about we don't need a striker all of a sudden because we've missed out on Sesko. This is the crap that I hate about this football club. All of a sudden we can't get the player that we need. Oh, maybe we don't need it. No, maybe we don't need it. Yeah, so we're gonna go another season that we need a clinical goal scorer and we don't get it. Let's first tackle the Nketiah issue. £30 million. Arsenal should not be valuing him any more than £30 million. Eddie Nketiah, in terms of goal scoring, has been atrocious. Not good enough. Not of the level that's necessary to be at the top level. Let's keep it real. And this guy has been given multiple chances. This guy wasn't given limited chances like someone like a Balogun. He's 25 years old, and this guy should have been sold a long, long time ago, and we've kept him on. Kept him on. In the Premier League, he's had 27 appearances, 5 goals, 2 assists. That is absolutely una merda. And this is the guy that's been defended. Oh, people need to apologize to him. All this, all that. Listen, at the end of the day, yeah, even if we sell him for 25 million, I don't care anymore. This guy needs to be moved on. And the conversation about, oh, because we didn't get Benjamin Sesko, maybe we don't need to move on Nketiah. It's between Nketiah and Jesus. Listen, Jesus isn't amazing, yeah, but get Nketiah out of this club. I'm tired of this BTEC Duchesne from Top Boy at this club. The guy is trash. He is trash. No composure in front of goal. Not clinical enough. He's just rubbish. Yeah, and at the end of the day, it's probably why most of the time he don't really kick up a fuss by being on the bench, because he knows that's the best he's going to be at Arsenal, is a bench player. And even then, a bench player that's going to come on and have about 10, 15 minutes. Get rid. I don't understand this crap about, oh, maybe we should keep him. Between Jesus and Nketiah, I choose Jesus to go first. But I think both of them need to go. Actually, I know both of them need to go. That's the reality. Get rid of both of them. They're both not good enough. Get rid of them. What are we doing here? We're like flipping hoarders. We are like hoarders over here at Arsenal, just hoarding players. Oh, we'll just keep you on, give you another contract, give you this, give you that. Get rid of the player, Caramba. How hard is it to get rid of this guy? Did Liverpool struggle this much to get rid of Solanke? No, they did not. They deemed the guy not good enough. They got rid of him, bro. It's annoying me. Eu já estou cansado de ouvir a mesma história, a repetir a mesma porcaria todos os dias. Eu estou cansado, é cansativo estar aqui a falar da mesma porcaria. Get this guy out of the club. It's not hard to sell a player for 20 to 30 million pounds. Why are we... Bro, Crystal Palace don't want to pay 30? Cool. 25 plus add-ons. How come I can work that out within 2 minutes and this filho da puta Edu is not able to do anything? I'm telling you, this guy's a bum, bro. What are you doing? How can you not negotiate to get rid of players? I don't understand it. I don't understand it. The player has been linked to Fulham, Crystal Palace. There's numerous teams that are looking at Eddie Nketiah. We're struggling to sell him for 30 million. Sell him for 20. I'm done. Get him gone. We don't need him. Fulham, Wolves, Everton, they're all interested. Let him go. Everton want a year-long loan. Cool. Put it with the option to buy, obligation to buy. Just get rid of him, man. Fabrizio Romano coming out saying that there's a possibility that he could stay. Bro, get him gone. Bundesliga teams are looking at him. Let him go. Let him go. Arsenal fans, this football club needs to learn how to cut the umbilical cord with players, bro. These men are always, the whole team has just got umbilical cords. Cut the umbilical cord. Even when you're born, the doctor has to cut the umbilical cord to detach you from your mum, bro. You can't be attached for the rest of your life. These men have got umbilical cords for all the players that they love. Eddie Nketiah, Zinchenko, and all. I'm tired of it, man. Just get rid of these foolish stuff. I'm tired of it. I'm tired. Cut the umbilical cord. Let him go. Let him go. Why are we struggling for? We struggled to get Benjamin Sesko. Now he ain't coming. Struggled to get Xerxes. Now he looks like he's going to AC Milan. Struggled to get Isak. Looks like he may stay. Struggle, can't get Ivan Toney. Struggle in every department. We struggle to sell. We struggle to flip and buy. We struggle to do everything, bro. I'm done. I'm done. I'm telling you, playing for Arsenal, if you're an Arsenal player, it doesn't matter if you're trash. It's like Alcatraz. It's like flipping Prison Break. It's impossible to escape. You're just hoarding players. This guy's a bum. This guy's not been good enough. He's never been good enough. Oh, but he's versatile. He can play on the wings. He can play as a striker. I couldn't care less. Get him gone. I'm tired of every transfer window. The most obvious things we take forever to do. I'm tired of it. Get him gone. Rua. Agarra as tuas coisas, agarra as tuas malas e rua, filho da puta. Tô cansado. Tired of it, man. Every single time. Every single year. Same thing. Oh, we're going to get rid of him. Oh, we don't know. Maybe not. Bro, get rid of this bum, bro. Get rid of this bum. 22-23 season. 30 appearances. 6 goals. No, 4 goals. This is this bum Nketiah, bro. This is this bum Nketiah. 21-22 season. 21 appearances. 5 goals. This guy's a bum, bro. I've been saying it. But these men were telling me I had to apologize. Apologize to who? Apologize to who? If I apologize, I'm more cool about apologize. I'm tired of it, man. Bro, his stats at Arsenal have been disgusting. And people want to justify this guy, bro. Most seasons, he's not even going past 10 goals. It's a joke. It's actually a joke. And then we're now we may not be able to sell him for the right fee, bro. Whatever you can get for him, let him. There's certain players in this team. We are in no position to be negotiating. We're not. I can't lie. We've kept them on too long. They've not been good enough. There's no negotiation power there. Tired of it, bro. Tired of it. I'm tired of it, man. I don't understand why we can't get. Well, we struggle to sell players. We struggle to sell players. Where there's other teams, even outside the top 4, the top 6, they don't struggle to sell players, but we always struggle to sell players. Eddie Nketiah, sell him to the Championship. I don't even care. I'm beyond caring where this guy goes, bro. I don't care. Just sell him. And this thing about, oh, do we really need a striker? Do we really need a striker? Filho da puta, are you trying to... Estás a gozar da minha cara. Estás a gozar da minha cara if we need a striker. When we had 30 shots against West Ham and we lost, did we not need a striker then? Up against Bayern Munich, did we not need a striker then? Against Porto, when we took it to penalties, did we not need a striker then? What are we talking about? Do we actually need a striker? This club is the biggest gaslight I've ever seen in my life. They can see how many games we needed a striker, we lacked the goals, we needed a clinical goal scorer. We went into January transfer window saying we need a clinical goal scorer, but now because they don't want to go and spend the actual money that we need to spend to get a proper goal scorer. Oh, do we actually, can Arsenal survive without a striker? Filho da puta, the answer is no. The answer is no if we're going to win major honours. But you know what? This club, yeah, is the deadest club. They don't care about winning trophies. This club is nothing compared to the club I started supporting. Nothing. This club is nothing compared to Arsenal club I started supporting. Nothing. Bunch of losing bitches. That's what they are. Losing bitches that always want to make excuses to not go and get players, and they'll rather make excuses than actually do what needs to be done. This club is on its period all the time, bro. Emotional. Oh, maybe we don't need a striker. We don't need this. We don't need that. And then when we start losing games, then we needed a striker 3 seasons ago. We needed a striker 3 seasons. Don't come and try and gaslight me that we can go on without a striker and win the league. We already don't have the best manager. City do. We already don't have the best team. City do. And then they still don't want to strengthen. There are already things that are, there are other things that are out of our control. One thing that is in our control is identifying where our weaknesses in our squad and going out there and getting the players. It is the clearest, it's clear as day. You don't even need to be an Arsenal fan to realize we need a clinical goal scorer. But all of us are, no, maybe we can spread the goals around because it worked for us in the FA Cup, didn't it? It worked for us in the Carabao Cup. It worked for us to win the league, didn't it? It worked for us to win the Champions League, didn't it? Finish that book. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. I'm starting to have enough already. So cansado of this transfer window already. I'm seeing the same bucaria of these men not doing what they need to do. I'm tired of it now. And I'm starting to send for everyone now. Edu's getting sent for, the Kroenkes are getting sent for. I'm tired now. I'm tired of it. It's the same crap. Dragging our feet, not identifying our targets, gaslighting the fan base about, oh, we don't need this or we don't need that, and maybe we could, do a conspiracy theory that, oh, maybe if we score from set pieces or maybe if we spread the goals around, we're good enough to win a major honour. And I'm telling you right now, if we don't get the players that we need, Filho da puta, I'm gonna, bro, I'm not gonna hold back. I'm not going to hold back. Make sure you're liking and subscribing, hitting the bell notification. Without further ado, I'm out, man.